West Coast kid. Holiday road.
Jackson Storm, you're ungrounded. I'm going to stop Diesel 10 by pulling the fire alarm. I'm going to stop him right now. Ha 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 ha.
Diesel 10, what are you doing? I am going to pull the fire alarm so I can do it. Diesel 10, you should know that pulling the fire alarm is very dangerous and you're going to get arrested. I'm taking you to the principal's office now. So, Jackson Storm and Diesel 10, what brings you two in my office? Diesel 10 tried to pull the fire alarm and I stopped him forever. And I stopped him by trying to pull the fire alarm. Oh my God, thank you for letting me know. You may go back to your class while I'll deal with Diesel 10. As for you, Diesel 10, by trying to pull the fire alarm, you're expelled forever. Go home right now while I call Thomas. After when I call Thomas, I'll call Cruz Ramirez and Strip Brothers to unground him.
Jackson Storm, good job for stopping Diesel 10 for trying to pull the fire alarm. We are so proud of you. That's it. You are ungrounded forever. This means you could play Fortnite or go to Chuck E. Cheese's. We'll have fun. You can do whatever you want. Yay! Thank you, Strip Weathers, and thank you, Cruz Ramirez. You're welcome.
Diesel 10, how dare you try to pull the fire alarm and get expelled from the school? That's it. You are grounded for 4 weeks, and you will not play Fortnite or hang out with Diesel during that time.
Now go to your room right now and think about what you've did.
Fine. Screw you, Percy and Thomas. And don't talk like that to us either.